Antara singi kat hoitrik rempang arhajar rapun riu kaseng National Domestic Workers Movement mereka child parliament members kelapan sengau shika sarkar lemba kilap thai kubor bak sarkar kan buno ik jaka sumar yak kena ki ngop hak jindi Drok hamanla ki distrik hak jela. Ha bakran kilap thai kubor hasilom press club Kadelina Francis kabripej hakane ke jela yak National Domestic Workers Movement kelaong ba kibu yak jingkerpat shika sarkar bakin pen perking yak jindi laitlan yak jingdi basniu hajan ki school bat haki jaka paiba. Hakane kan ba shillong yak kanhun child parliament members lasdang habunteli ki jaka bat ka jingdon ki khna hakane kanhun klakot sans pangot. Bat kebala banlong dukot kidei nadu usnem kendai hadok khat prasnem. Hameklia yaga child parliament members dasus dang dangshen hakane ka jela bat ya ka lapej daga seng missionary sisters of Mary Help of Christian yaga bala itu daga sarkar jela house nem arhajar san barkane ka kanhun klai penyar yaga jing trikam juga sya Assam, Mizoram, Manipur, bat Nagaland.
National Domestic Workers Movement also form and work for the domestic workers children under Child Right Movement, that is CRM. The Child Right Movement CRM has formed in 18 different states of India with the purpose to ensure the survival, development, protection and participation of every child, treating them as active right-bearing individuals in aims to eliminate abuse, exploitation, child labor and inequalities, fostering of safe environment where all children can thrive, receive education and exercise their rights. In Meghalaya, the CRM has formed in different parts of East Khasi Hills, Shillong, irrespective of caste, religion, tribe, etc., but with the sole purpose of growth and development of all the children. The MDWM, realizing the dynamic potential within the children, this CP was formed. Hence, Child Parliament is a child-led democratic platform where children come together to voice their opinions, learn leadership and participate in decision-making on issues that affect their life and communities. It is inspired by the principle of democracy and the United Nations Convention on the Right of the Child. Following are some of the activities organized by the NDWM for the Child Right Movement in the Shillong. Forming group, the members are between the age of 9 to 18 years. Initially, the CRM was mostly for the domestic workers' children, but later the CP is extended to all children who are willing to be a part of it. Conducted different awareness programs on child rights, POXO health and hygiene, leadership training, stress management, bad and good touch, etc. The movement also organized exposure programs to different departments like Nehu Science Center, District Court, Department of Atomic Energy, with the purpose of giving them opportunity to explore themselves and learn. Besides this, they also commemorate and observe World Day Against Child Labor on 12 June, Day of Hope, International Day of Girl Child on 11 of October, Children's Day 14 November and many others important days related to child. The member of Child Parliament have also hosted a roundtable conference, street play, postcard campaign, signature campaign on substances abuse so as to give awareness to the society on issues that concern. Open breed school and provide tuition for dropout children to cope up with the other regular children. Conducted skill trainings on arts and entrepreneurship. Today, the member of CP, considering the increasing number of drug abuses among the child in the state, expressed their feeling and concern for their fellow being.